I love this tea tree oil balm sent to me from True Remedy, and this works really great. This is great for itchy and dry skin, and I love using it on my elbows and feet too. And this is great for all skin irritations as well. And it smells so good. It has eucalyptus, touch of lavender, and tea tree oil too. And it's very nourishing. This measures 2 ounces and it is very easy to open it. The tea tree oil makes it kind of tingly, and it also has vitamin C and E, and it comes from coconut oil, macadamia oil, and olive oil too. And this is very nourishing to your skin. Let me show you a close-up. Here's a close-up of what it looks like. You just twist it open. It also has a non-greasy formula and no harmful chemicals either. This is also made of no parabens, no alcohol, no sulfate, petroleum, or gluten either. It also has no synthetic fragrance or dyes too. I've been using this for about a week and I really notice a difference. Definitely recommend it. Great for nourishing your cuticles too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.